Lesson number 3. Buying things. Listen and read. Soham and Reva are going to a shop with their parents. What a big shop! Mother wanted to buy some things. Father wanted to buy some things. How about you, children? Do you want to buy something on your own? Here is the money. You can use it to buy anything you like. Shall we buy chocolates? Shall we buy crayons? Shall we buy a toy? Please help us, Mother. What should we buy? Well, you can buy something that will finish up quickly, or you can buy something that will last long. You can buy something made by others, or you can buy things and make something yourself. That's a good idea. Let's buy things and make new things with them. Soham and Reva picked up some things. They went to the counter. We want to buy this paper, glue and colors. How much is it? 95 rupees in all. Here's the money. 100 rupees. Thank you. I must give you 5 rupees back. Here it is. That's right. Thank you. Look and say, own, money, anything, buy, finish, ideas, counter, paper, colors, must, picked, quickly, shop, last. Complete the following sentences using your own ideas. We are going to a shop. I want to read books. I want to buy books. Shall we buy this? I must give you 50 rupees. Read and complete the following table. 1. Many. One shop, many shops. One thing, many things. One toy, many toys. One chocolate, many chocolates. 1 rupee, many rupees. One crayon, many crayons. One color, many colors. One idea, many ideas. One paper, many papers. One parent, many parents. Lesson number 3.